Here we go. 4953ron's 2-box break of 12-13 certified. Yeah, Gretzky at a 9. Like, I could have been a nicer player, I guess, but. See, Denver's, I'm slowly but surely making it up to you long term. Slowly but surely. We got a freshman signatures number 999, Brendan Manning. We have a mirror red number to 199 of Rene Bourque. Bourque. We got a fabric of the game number to 150 jersey of Eric Lindros. We have an Immortals number to 999 of Brett Hull. We have a certified signatures of Dmitry Orlov. We have a rookie of Riley Shahan. We got a fabric of the game number to 150, Simon Desprez. Path to the Cup duel number to 399, Joe Thornton and Yaroslav Halak. We have a certified stars number to 999 of Joe Thornton. And La Base. We have a rookie, number to 999. Saved by the garbage can. Jason Zucker. He fell right into all nice garbage can packs. We got a fabric of the game, number to 299, Yaroslav Halak. Ooh, those are hard to get, just so you know, and they actually sell quite well. A Path to the Cup number to 99, Mike Richards. Mike Richards, Path to the Cup. Those are actually very hard to get. You got a Mass Marvels number to 999 of Henrik Lundqvist. And a Path to the Cup dual jersey number to 250 of Ryan McDonough and Milan Mahajek. We have a goalie polls. Evgeny Nabokov. Goalie polls of Evgeny Nabokov. La Base. Mirror red number to 199 of Andrew Ladd. That's nice. We have a fabric of the game blue, mirror blue jersey and autograph numbered 11 of 25, Ed Belfour. Ed Belfour, fabric of the game, jersey and autograph. I don't see those too often either. Certified stars of Jordan Eberle, number to 999. And we got a certified signatures of Eddie Lack. And there you go, sir.